Cinnamon is one of the most popular and well-known spices around the world. Not only is it used for its pleasant taste and distinct aroma to add flavor to a number of recipes, but it is also incredibly healthy and can promote our health a number of different ways. In fact, cinnamon has been used for generations for its medicinal properties and is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming cinnamon regularly. First, cinnamon is packed with important nutrition for our bodies. It is well known for being nutrient dense. It is an excellent source of manganese, iron, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. It is also a good source of dietary fiber and is high in many different types of antioxidants. Not only is cinnamon a great source of nutrition, but it is incredibly high in protective antioxidant compounds that can help to reduce the risk of developing a number of different diseases. Its antioxidant content is so high that it ranks among the top 10 foods, herbs, and spices when comparing antioxidant concentration and activity. Cinnamon is a great source of phenolic acid, flavonoids, and polyphenols, among others, that can help to reduce free radicals and oxidative stress and prevent chronic disease and inflammation. One of cinnamon's most well-known health-promoting abilities is its ability to increase heart health a number of different ways and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Regular consumption of cinnamon has been shown in studies to help reduce total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels, as well as triglycerides, while increasing good HDL cholesterol. Cinnamon can also help to regulate high blood pressure levels and increase circulation. It can also have benefits for those individuals who are at risk of developing diabetes or those who are suffering from the disease. When cinnamon is regularly consumed, it can help to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance. It can also help to lower blood sugar levels and is well known for this benefit. This is often attributed to its ability to decrease the levels of glucose that enter the bloodstream after eating a meal by slowing down the breakdown and digestion of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. Lastly, consuming cinnamon regularly can help to promote and boost brain function and reduce the risk of developing neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. This is because cinnamon contains unique compounds that can reduce and inhibit the buildup of a protein that can lead to neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. Its high levels of antioxidants, free radical reducing abilities, and anti-inflammatory compounds are also helpful in this regard. Always discuss with your medical practitioner for further treatment and prevention methods in this regard. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.